Hello everyone, in this video today I'm going to be talking about how to start drop shipping for $0 in 2023. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first things first, let's explain to you how eBay drop shipping works and a few benefits of these business models. So first things first, we have our store. So this is going to be our eBay store. This is where we're going to be starting to make sales. So we basically go ahead and do is we go ahead and find a product to sell, and then we go ahead and list that product on eBay, and once we get a sale, we're going to go to our supplier, pay for it and ship it to the customer, and we keep the profit. So this is very low risk, and this may sound a little bit complex to you if you're a complete beginner, but that's okay. So we don't hold inventory, we don't need a warehouse, we don't need to buy products up front. Basically we're acting as the middleman. So let's just use the example that they have here. So a customer places an order and on our store for say $200, right? And then on our supplier it's $150. So let's just say Amazon is our supplier. So we go ahead when a customer purchases our store, they give us their shipping information. So all we have to do, simply go to the Amazon, pay for it for $150, and the Amazon will ship it directly to the customer. So they get the product, we keep the profit, from which they gave us $200, we spent $150 shipping it out, so we keep $50 for us. So that's basically how it works, and this is why, and this is how you're gonna start drop shipping, or how to start making money online in 2023 with $0. So now let's go ahead and talk about the eBay plans. So there's 3 types of stores that you can get that do cost money, but here's the thing, you can go ahead and make a free eBay account. So you can just simply go to ebay.com, you scroll down to here, or whatever, make an account and everything like that, and from there you're going to be able to list 50 products for free. So that's going to give you enough time, enough products to go ahead and get some momentum building up on your store. Like 50 products is a lot. Like I've made sales with only listing 5 products. So to have an eBay account, $0. Obviously you get a store once you've once you've built up some momentum, but this is definitely perfectly fine. Now number 4, it's free to link your bank account. It's free to link the bank account. There's no fees. eBay take their fees obviously, but again $0 to start your eBay drop shipping journey. And let's just go for an example now. We're gonna set you, I went on to Amazon and just searched up hammer. So basically what you want to do to find products that are selling well on eBay is you simply just click on any product, and what I normally do is either get the whole title, copy and paste it on eBay and see if other people are selling it, and if they are, and that's how you're going to be able to make profit. I guarantee it's going to be on here. So look, there's some drop shippers, they're selling it at a loss, so you don't want to be these people. Like it's $57 here and it's $40 there. So I would never go ahead and list that product, because you're losing money. So they're drop shipping the wrong. But you can just go ahead and find more products, like for example this one, I assume. But when you're listing products, you can just simply copy the image, copy the description on your listing, copy the everything, you basically copy and paste it onto eBay. And remember I said it's free to list on eBay. So bang, here's a product 97 and it is 65 here. So as you can tell, it is the same product. Like I'll click on this, these people are drop shippers. As you can tell, they've got the same photo, they under the bit of a thumbnail. Now that's a top tip. Adding a little bit of a thumbnail to the thing is really good. The listing so basically once you've found your product, you see that it's 97.99 and on here it is 65. So they're making decent profit off the item. Full respect to them. And for the description, they've probably just gone to Amazon and just copy and pasted it. As you can see here, if we go down to Amazon, it'll probably be the exact same description. It would not surprise me. So here's the technical information and here's the product description, blah blah blah. But yeah, that's a nice description. They might be using another supplier, but it doesn't matter. They're drop shippers, they're making good money, so it's free to make an eBay account. It's free to add your bank account. It's free to list on eBay. So yeah, copy the photos, descriptions, add to eBay. And you might be wondering, oh, what if the price changes? What if the thing goes out of stock? That's where you can go to skugrid.com and it is free. They have a 7-day free trial. So again, $0 to start your eBay drop shipping journey. But obviously when that trial comes out, it does cost money to use this. So basically this website will go ahead and when it goes out of stock, it will cut off the listing on your eBay store. When the price changes, it will cut it off or change the price to what it is now. Yeah, so they have a 7-day free trial. They do all these automatic stuff, so it's pretty really helpful. So yes, screw good, it is free now. Another tool, Zik Analytics. This website has found you so many winning products, it's crazy. So again, it is $1 for 7-day trial. So again, $1, start your journey. That's so cheap. Start your own business from home. So yeah, you can get Zika Analytics. That product research on this is crazy. So yeah, again, $1 is basically $0 start, and this is really good to use once you've got some momentum. So definitely recommend using this website if you want to find profitable winning products, as well as SKU Grid if you want to get the automatic listings, or even if you like I said, the price when the price changes or when it goes out of stock. Now if you want to get access to a free drop shipping training, message me on and we'll basically give you a free training on how you can start eBay drop shipping for yourself at $0 as well. So just to recap, eBay account is $0. You can get a plan, you can get a payment, you can get a plan like a store plan if you want, but again, free eBay account up to 50 listings, $0 bank account, $0. It's free to search on Amazon products to sell, and it's free to list on eBay. So again, $0 SKU Grid, $0 for 7 days. Zik Analytics, $1 for 7 days. Great product research website. And yeah, if you want free training, my free drop shipping training, message me. Yeah, I really hope this video opens some doors for you to show that it is possible to start eBay drop shipping with $0 in 2022. So thanks so much for sticking around watching this video. Please subscribe down below, hit the bell notification and drop a like if you found some value from this. If not, no worries. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Measurement Instagram. If you want that free dropshipping training, tell me that you've come from YouTube, and I will see you guys in next week's video.